I gotta clean that part now. I did it! Woohoo! Hello everybody, my name is Player and welcome to Nintendo Switch Repair. Have you ever had a broken Nintendo and you want to know how to fix it? Anyways, have you had a Nintendo Switch that was broken and you want to know how to fix it? Well, this is how you do it. Yeah. Oh, we got 3 levels. Okay, first level is cleaning it, I'm guessing. I don't know, it's first level how I broke it. Oh god. Who shot over my Switch? Okay, so I spray it with this. Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh. Clean! What? Oh. I gotta clean it back now. Okay. Alright. Scoop. 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 Hub. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Alright. Scoop. Scoop. We're gonna go backwards. Scoop. I didn't necessarily go backwards. So, scoop. Oh, yeah. I gotta clean that part now. I did it! Woohoo! Alright, level 2. Now. Now. And now. What the hell? What? What? Oh. Does he have an achievement? What? Oh. What? 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 Uh. Oh, okay. What? You did it! What's the 3rd level? Oh, I get to decorate my Switch. Oh boy. Shut up. No, I'm there. Okay. This is pretty cool. That's nice. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. 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 Something that. Okay. Ooh. 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 Paw prints. Yes. Oh. Okay. You did it. That was fun. Thank you guys for joining the because of the so much more of these fun silly games that aren't really games. I'll try to find more to play. This is more of a game than the other ones that I play because it has a lot of stuff you can do, and I think it could really become a really good thing if they put more into it. It can be really like a full-fledged game, but yeah, like create more levels, create more stuff you can do, more designs you can have. It'd be really fun. And I would definitely put more of it if there became an update. So developers, make an update because this is really fun. Thank you again, and as always, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.